Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to rebuild your search index on Microsoft Outlook. So if you're having issues searching for emails, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab and then go down and select Options. And now that we're in here, underneath User Interface Options, there should be something that says Optimize for Best Appearance. Make sure that is selected in here. And then go over to Search, change the Outlook Stores Index by Windows Search, select Indexing Options. And now you want to locate a Microsoft Outlook on this list. It shouldn't be very hard to locate that. And once you've done that, go ahead and select the Modify button. Again, make sure Microsoft Outlook is checkmarked in here. And then once that is done, go ahead and select the OK button. And then select Advanced. Select Delete and Rebuild Index. Select OK. And give that some time to run. Depending on how large your files are, how many files you have, it may take a longer period of time to run, so just be patient. Okay, so indexing is hopefully that was able to resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.